admin information. Press 1 for admin settings. Press 1 to add admin. Press 2 to delete admin. Press 3 for network settings. Enter admin information. Please enter again. 001 successful. Enter admin information. Please enter again. Please enter again. Please enter again. 002 successful. Enter admin information. Press 1 to add admin. Press 2 to delete admin. Press 3 for network settings.